Cuckoo, do you want to go to Hoover Dam? Let's go.
This is what America looks like from the road. From quiet back roads to places you've never seen before, every mile has a story. This is Postcards Across America. Come along for the ride. Welcome to Postcards Across America. Today we're beginning our journey in Henderson, Nevada, one of the fastest growing cities in the American Southwest. While Las Vegas may grab most of the headlines, Henderson has carved out its own identity as a vibrant community known for beautiful neighborhoods, outdoor recreation, and stunning desert scenery. Located just southeast of Las Vegas, Henderson is home to more than 340,000 residents, making it Nevada's second largest city. The city enjoys more than 300 days of sunshine each year, and you'll quickly notice the dramatic mountain views, wide-open desert landscapes, and palm-lined streets that make this part of the Mojave Desert so distinctive. Henderson's story began during World War II, when the area was developed to support the basic magnesium plant, which produced magnesium essential for aircraft manufacturing. After the war, the community continued to grow and eventually became the thriving city we see today. As we leave Henderson behind, our drive takes us towards one of America's most remarkable engineering achievements. The landscape begins to transform as the desert hills give way to rugged canyons carved over millions of years. Before long, we'll be following the route that countless travelers have taken on their way to one of the nation's most iconic landmarks. Along the way, you'll see just how quickly the scenery changes, from a modern suburban city to the raw beauty of the Nevada desert. Keep an eye out for colorful rock formations, sweeping mountain vistas, and glimpses of the vast landscape that makes southern Nevada unlike anywhere else in the country. Our destination is the legendary Hoover Dam, a structure that forever changed the American West. So buckle up, sit back, and enjoy the drive as we travel from Henderson to one of America's greatest engineering marvels on another edition of Postcards Across America. Searchlight, Nevada. It's a desert town with a surprisingly rich history. Founded in 1898 after gold was discovered in the surrounding hills, Searchlight quickly grew into a booming mining community. At its peak, thousands of people called this town home, drawn by the promise of striking it rich. While the gold boom eventually faded, Searchlight remained an important stop for travelers crossing southern Nevada. Today, the town has a population of only a few hundred residents, giving it a quiet, small town atmosphere surrounded by the vast Mojave Desert. Searchlight is best known as the hometown of former U.S. Senator Harry Reid, who served as the Senate Majority Leader and became one of the most influential political figures in modern Nevada history. The area is also known for its rugged desert scenery, with mountain ranges, wide-open valleys, and abundant wildlife. Searchlight sits along U.S. Route 95, making it a convenient stop between Las Vegas and Laughlin, Nevada. Whether you're exploring Nevada's mining heritage, taking in the desert landscape, or simply passing through, Searchlight offers a glimpse into the state's frontier past and the resilient communities that help shape the American West. As we make the final stretch of today's drive, the anticipation starts to build. In just a few minutes, we'll arrive at one of the most recognizable landmarks in the United States, the Hoover Dam. Until then, take a moment to simply enjoy the ride. Soak in the rugged beauty of the Mojave Desert, the colorful rock formations, and the sweeping mountain views that make this part of Nevada so unforgettable. Sometimes, the journey itself is just as memorable as the destination. We're almost there, and once we arrive, we'll get out to explore the Hoover Dam up close, take in some incredible viewpoints, and learn more about the history and engineering behind this American icon. Thanks for traveling with me on Postcards Across America. Sit back, relax, enjoy these final miles. I'll see you at the Hoover Dam. Every town has a story. Let's uncover this roadside discovery. After leaving the parking garage, the walkway gently leads you towards the heart of the Hoover Dam. Ahead, the visitor center offers a closer look at the dam's incredible history, engineering, and construction. Just beyond lies Monument Plaza, where you'll discover fascinating monuments, dedication plaques, and a remarkable celestial star map that celebrates one of the greatest engineering achievements in American history. Standing 30 feet tall, the winged figures of the Republic symbolizes far more than Hoover Dam itself. Sculptor Oscar J.W. Hansen created them to represent the strength, courage, and aspirations of the American people. Their wings symbolizes humanity's endless pursuit of knowledge and progress, while the celestial map beneath them records the exact positions of the stars on the day the Hoover Dam was dedicated in 1935. Together, they transform this engineering marvel into a timeless monument to human achievement. This striking compass rose highlights Hoover Dam's connection to exploration, astronomy, and navigation. Surrounding the compass are the 12 signs of the zodiac, reflecting the importance of the stars in helping people find their way long before modern technology. Like the celestial map in Monument Plaza, it's another reminder that Hoover Dam was designed to celebrate not only engineering, but also humanity's enduring pursuit of science, discovery, and progress. This dedication plaque commemorates September 30th, 1935, when President Franklin Delano Roosevelt officially dedicated Hoover Dam to the American people. It marks the completion of one of the greatest engineering projects of the 20th century. A project that transformed the Colorado River and helped fuel the growth of the American Southwest. As you cross Hoover Dam, you'll notice the large clock towers at each end of the roadway. They're more than just architectural landmarks. They mark two different time zones. The Nevada side keeps Pacific time, while the Arizona side observes Mountain Standard Time year-round. During the summer months, simply walking across the dam moves you 1 hour into the future. Looking north, you'll also catch breathtaking views of Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States. Formed by the construction of Hoover Dam, Lake Mead stores water for millions of people across the Southwest, while also providing recreation, wildlife habitat, and hydroelectric power, making it one of the most important man-made lakes in America. Standing on the roadway of Hoover Dam, you're looking at one of the greatest engineering achievements in American history. Nearly 730 feet below, the Colorado River continues its journey through Black Canyon. Just ahead spans the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, our next stop. where we'll take in breathtaking bird's-eye views of Hoover Dam from above. Welcome to the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, one of the most impressive engineering landmarks in the American Southwest. Opened in 2010, this bridge spans the Colorado River and carries Interstate 11 and U.S. Route 93 high above the Hoover Dam, allowing traffic to bypass the dam for the first time in decades. The bridge is named in honor of two remarkable men. Mike O'Callahan served as Nevada's governor and was a decorated Korean War veteran, while Pat Tillman left a successful NFL career with the Arizona Cardinals to serve in the U.S. Army after the 9/11 attacks. Both are remembered for their dedication, courage, and service. As we continue towards the overlook, the view becomes even more spectacular. From here, you'll get one of the best panoramic perspectives of the Hoover Dam, the massive concrete arch-gravity dam completed during the Great Depression. Standing nearly 900 feet above the Colorado River, this bridge offers a breathtaking vantage point to appreciate both the scale of the dam and the dramatic beauty of Black Canyon below. From the streets of Henderson to the towering Hoover Dam and the incredible views from the Pat Tillman Mike O'Callahan Memorial Bridge, today's journey showcased one of America's most remarkable destinations. Thanks for traveling with us, and we'll be sure to see you next time on another adventure on Postcards Across America.